Hi everyone, I'm Christina, Chief Creative Officer at Squirrly, and today we are going to take a look at how do I choose my social media profiles. So we are inside the post groups feature. In order to choose the social media profiles that you want those posts to be sent to, we have to click over here on profiles and repetition. Then from over here, we have to select the social media profiles on this drop down. From the post to, we have a drop down over here where we can see all the connected social media profiles for this particular account. Let's select one and let's click on save. So now we can see this overview over here. On what days, at what hour, and on what social media profile those posts inside this post group are going to be sent to. Of course, only the posts that are inside the approved tab are going to be sent to on these particular days, at this particular hour, and on this particular social media profile. If we want to add these settings, we can simply go over here to profiles and repetition and change the social media profiles like so. And now we can see them over here. So remember, the profiles that you have selected over here will apply to all posts saved and approved in this particular post group. Until next time.